Let's see. I can't see shit. But I guess 1 and 2. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then we have just 4 PCs. And then let's connect console, USB, yep, USB, no, 1, 2, so there's 24. So we did 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 13 and 14. Okay. And each of these dang PCs have to have an IP address, because there's no DHCP server. So we're gonna do... Okay, note to self, don't use APIPA. Even though it's not automatic in this case. So 192.168.1. Yeah, we can just use .1 since we're currently on VLAN 1, but we won't be for long. Do 2. And the subnet mask doesn't update. So we have to do that manually. Ugh. But it would still work if I just left it that way. In fact, why don't we do that? It saves me the trouble, because this is a valid IP address with a valid subnet mask. So we'll just do 2. Why are we doing 2? No idea. Let's do 1, even though that's usually reserved for the router. 192.168.1.2. Okay, so let's just test right now to see if it will now work. 192.168.1.2. Okay, so now it works. Why are you weird, packet tracer? Alright, let's continue. Let's see. 192.168.1.3. Wrong thing. I'm so used to going to the terminal, but I only know how to configure Cisco, not Windows, through the command line. That's all we're being taught. So now it should work. If I go over here to 4. Okay. Yep, it works. Cool. And now let's go to the terminal. I know I could just do this, right? And just use the terminal here, but where's the fun in that? So we're gonna use the actual. We're gonna use the console and terminal emulator. So we'll just conf t for configure terminal. Line con 1 vt. Nope, we don't care about that. Alright, so we're gonna do int range FA01 to, what was it, 12? Yes. Alright, we're in. And then, alright, so it's already online, so we don't need to do no shut. And we're only gonna do port based. So switch mode access, and then switch access VLAN 10. We're gonna do 10. And notice how I didn't create the VLANs ahead of time. We don't need to. The switch will do it for us, which is cool. Yeah, that's it. That's it. So we're gonna do the same thing to interfaces 13 to 24. 24. Right, because there's 24, 6, 12, 18. Yeah, okay. So there's 24. And like I said, we're only doing port-based VLAN, so we're not doing trunks. So we're going to do the same thing. Switch, mode, access. Switch, access, VLAN 20. Alright. And then that's it. We don't need to do no shutdown because it's already online. And yeah. That's all there is to it. And then we write. And yeah, we're done. So now, if we go back to the command prompt, we go down and we can still ping 192.168.1.2. Everything works, it's fine. Yeah, okay. But we cannot do that because now 192.168.1.3 is on a different VLAN. So cool. And if we do number 4, again, it fails. So we know the VLAN is working. And yeah, we can do PC3 or PC2 because they start with zeros. Ping 192.168.1.4. Oops, 1.4, and it works. But if we try to ping 1.1, it doesn't work. Just as God intended. So that's how VLANs work. Yeah, we're just a little local network. We're not doing routers or anything like that, but we could, but I'm not going to. So that's how to VLAN.